We are just hoping that this beast is heavy enough to get out this driveway. You see it right there. We had a FedEx truck and he got stuck. Mike had to pull him out with the Jeep. Come on, pups. Guy, pipes. Let's get in the house. Okay, come on, let's go. You ready? I think he's ready. In true Wagner fashion, we still don't know where we're going, yet here we are, buckled in, ready to go.
There's 2 Indiana parks we're debating. And we need to know which way to go.
We are just hoping to make it out.
It'll be interesting because this snow is all packed down and it's uphill. It doesn't look like it's a lot in the video, but it's uphill all the way to the road.
Yeah.
It's spinning.
Yeah.
Being easy.
Let's go, baby. We did it! Oh my God! Pretty crowded weekend. I don't know if we'll get a spot.
We don't have reservations.
I know we don't. Yes. That's a potential 79 and 78 should be that one right there. 50 amp?
Yeah.
This is kind of like build your own site over here, I guess.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if this is like asphalt.
It's supposed to be gravelly.
I'll unhook the Jeep here and we'll just kind of, you can see where it's sort of
Kind of a pad.
out.
Sort of, kind of, maybe.
Yeah. Where we land is where we land.
Yeah, looks good to me. Pretty deep snow here. I'm sinking in even further with every step.
Can't believe it's 5 o'clock and it's still this bright out.
I know, and there's like little peaks of blue sky everywhere. And it was sunny today at home. It's crazy.
We're so used to it being dark by now.
Yeah, I mean spring is on its way. We're at a park that even Indiana doesn't know how to pronounce apparently. On here, on indiana.gov, it says simply say Wabache because it's from a French native word. And on here, it says the exact same thing, but it finishes it with easy to pronounce Ouabache.
Yeah, it's Ouabache.
Wabache.
So which one is it?
Which is it? I was all set and prepared to say Wabache because I looked it up on here first. And everything I saw from the locals is saying everyone needs to change the name because it's really pronounced Wabache. But according to the state park information, they don't even know.
So which one is it? Let us know.
Is it? Well, someone looks awfully cozy.
Yeah, it's not me.
On a hike. Well, currently just a walk in the campground, but
Or a walk or a hike.
Guy is just, he cannot contain his excitement all morning.
Just wants to go, go, go.
So I'm sure you've heard it in our past videos, but whenever you hear a guy cry like this, it's because we stopped.
We were not walking.
That he does it every time. It's hard to miss that.
Looks like you got a new hat.
I did.
Where'd you get a new hat from? Walmart?
It was actually a gift from Raising 8. It just showed up on our doorstep and they said, here's a free hat. So I'm giving it its first test drive on our walk today.
Yeah, we'll put a link to them in the description and maybe at the end of the video.
Yep. I think we may have found a trail. I know it comes through the end of this loop in the campground, so I'm gonna give it a whirl.
Time. Get it all out in one squeeze.
There was no squeezing. It was more like hovering
And freezing.
and freezing. Well, we finally found another big fire tower, but I don't know if it's going to be open. Boo.
Yeah. Bummer.
I guess that's the downfall to winter camping. Bison of Indiana. The wildlife exhibits.
This enclosure is 20 acres in size. That is a big enclosure.
An adult bison needs 5 acres of pasture for grazing. Look at the bison, baby. Those are pretty cool. She made a little.
This guy, no.
No bark.
They don't even care.
No, they're like, you're little.
Come on. Come on, bud.
Come on, let's go, you crazy girl. We've made it to Camp A.
Yeah.
It's actually called Camp A, Campground A.
Completely empty.
No one. Not a soul except for us. Another campground all to ourselves. These are some pretty big icicles. Look at this bad boy. Oh, look, Mikey.
We're not the only ones here. There's
Yeah.
a snowman here, too.
Someone, we're camping with a snowman. I don't think anyone was in this site. They just kind of built the snowman.
Hey, Lynn,
What?
what's the difference between a hippo and a zippo?
I don't know.
One's really heavy and the other one's a little lighter.
Oh my god. 5.86.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad at all. Pretty
No.
good day.
Kind of made a loop all the way around. We didn't do all the trails, obviously.
Yeah, we might do more in a little bit.
Walking around in the snow made my jeans all
Iced.
wet and iced. I guess another win for having a dryer.
Yeah, it's come in handy a lot of times.
All right, let's see what you got.
Yeah. Sled, take 2. I'm currently
Need a shove?
on just ice.
Man, she's still going.
Bye. Aww.
You guys wanted to see it.
Yeah, by popular demand, there's a rope tied to the Jeep.
You go Jeep sledding.
Follow it back, there's the sled. Let's hope this goes okay. I think it'll be fine because he's not going to go fast. He's only going to go idle. So here we go.
I'm not moving very fast. You might be able to see her back there in the mirror.
Hey, there's the snowman. Hi, snowman! Oh my god! He's speeding up. He's lying. He's not going at idle right now. Pretty fun. I must admit, this is a pretty good idea. That was a great success. That was awesome.
I guess it's my turn now.
Now I'm in the Jeep. Let's see if I can do this right. There's Mike. Let's do this.
Here we go. I guess this is all right. It's not the most fun I've ever had in my life. Maybe the most fun I've ever had with my clothes on. And we're done.
How was your ride?
That was fun.
Yeah, it worked a lot better than the dogs trying to pull us.
It was stupid fun. It'd be more fun if we could just like go bahan through all the grass.
Right.
You know? But
yeah, that would be fun.
Yeah. The ground is frozen. It's not like you're gonna hurt it.
Ooh, looks like you got some new shoes there, Mikey.
Yeah, I finally got some hiking boots / shoes, whatever you want to call them.
Yeah.
I mean, these are my go-to for everything.
Yeah.
Just my cowboy boots.
And we love those, but they aren't so great on the hiking trails.
No, I've done lots of hiking miles in those, but these are just way better suited for that.
And they're better for the snow.
Yeah, I definitely like these boots every day wear better. These will just stay in the Wraith.
Yeah.
Just for hiking and camping. Made by Keen.
Yeah, Keen.
And we paid $150 for them. I have the receipt before people accuse me of a paid promotion. It's 77 degrees in here.
We are cooking.
And we haven't even run the furnace. We just got electric heaters going.
Yeah.
I think I can get on board with one of those all-electric motorhomes where the heat and everything is electric. I think I can do that. Something I did that allowed us to run more electric heaters is I put in another outlet. Because on 50 amp, you've got line 1 and line 2. Every outlet in this Wraith, in this motorhome, is on line 1 on one breaker.
Yeah.
Which is like a 15 amp breaker. So I put in a new outlet on line 2 on its own 15 amp breaker, so we can run electric heater back there on high, and we can run this one on high at the same time.
Which before we never could.
Back here in the bedroom is where I have this heater running on high. It's 1500 watts, and what I did is I put this outlet in right here on its own circuit breaker. I know the white really clashes, and it would be better if it was brown, but I did not feel like going to Lowe's or Home Depot to buy all the stuff I needed because I literally had everything I needed to put that in.
Hey, Mikey.
Hey, it's for horses.
Do you know what tomorrow is?
It's Valentine's Day.
It is.
It's all about me.
All about just you, not me?
It's about what you're about to do for me.
Yes, that's true. And he's got that right. So, because of that, I am going to actually do something I have yet to do in the convection oven, which is bake a cake. I'm going to make a rum cake. Guess we're going to do a trial and error and see how it goes. Have my cake mix. I went kind of easy. Used a mix this time. A packet of vanilla pudding, half cup of milk, half cup of rum. I used spiced rum this time. You can use any kind, light rum or dark rum. I used a half cup of vegetable oil and 3 to 4 eggs and a little bit of vanilla. Put in probably about half cup to 1 cup chopped pecans in the bottom of my greased and floured bundt pan. And the convection is ready and waiting at 325. And I have the glaze already made over here, which is basically butter, sugar, a little bit of vanilla, and rum. I think it's cool enough to try to flip out onto the plate, so fingers crossed here. Ooh, I felt it hit.
Ooh,
ta-da!
look at that. I did a good job.
You
Yeah, I did a good job.
came right out. And now we can even add the glaze.
That is amazing.
Cut you a slice, Mikey.
Man, that's like perfect.
All you need to do is taste test it and let you know if it's perfect.
If you think I did a good job, leave a thumbs up
Oh,
and a comment below.
I think I did a good job.
This is one perfect rum cake.
Do you think it is just as good as in a regular oven?
I think this is probably the best one yet.
Really?
I do.
Good. It's that time again where we have to leave and it's actually sunny outside.
It's always sunny on Sunday.
Oh, we're so funny. I had a good time. We were literally the only campers here, and I would definitely come back for sure.
Yeah, seeing these parks in the winter makes me wonder now what they look like in the summer.
Yeah.
It'd be a very drastic difference, I'm sure.
On to the next part. So until next time.